Introducing Specular UV Sealer Primer. A fast, easy, and efficient way to seal MDF surfaces with minimal material usage. In this demonstration, we'll show how it compares to traditional spray applications using a simple paint foam roller. We begin by dividing the MDF board with masking tape. One side will be rolled with the UV sealer, while the other remains untreated for comparison. Applying the sealer with a foam roller is quick and effortless, ensuring an even coat with excellent coverage. Once applied, the coating is cured using an LED UV lamp. With a curing speed of just 30 to 40 seconds per square foot, the primer reaches full cure almost instantly. After curing, sanding can be done immediately. Notice how the sandpaper doesn't clog. This is a clear sign that the primer is fully cured and ready for the next step. To test the sealer's effectiveness, we apply a standard aerosol paint over the sanded area. The result: no penetration, no sinking, and no soaking into the MDF surface, showcasing excellent sealing performance. This entire process was captured in a single take, with only a few speed adjustments to maintain the uncut, real-time demonstration. From this process, this panel can be topped up with most types of paint systems, ensuring excellent adhesion and compatibility. Specular UV Sealer Primer delivers speed, efficiency, and outstanding results, all in just minutes.